advantage to Telangana. Unnecessarily they are making issue. These are previous house.
No,
these have
don't
been
address,
passed.
address that. You
Yeah.
address the chair directly.
Sir, some other parties are opposing this ordinance, saying that it is unconstitutional as per Article 3. They are also saying that once the state is formed, how can, without taking the views of the states concerned, they amend the AP Reorganization Act? Sir, it is totally misplaced, even though notification for bifurcation of the state was issued on 1st March 2014. The appointed day was 2nd June 2014. The states were under President's rule. So, taking views of state does not arise at all. Had the ordinance issued after 2nd June, the arrangement stand good. So, the ordinance is well within its constitutional validity. The arguments that tribals would be displaced under suffer if 17 mandals are merged with the Andhra Pradesh, this is again does not carry any weight. The main objective of transferring these mandals is to provide the best rehabilitation and settlement to the tribals and improve their living conditions. If they remain in Telangana, it is known fact that everybody that TRS will not give its consent for the project by taking shelter under the tribal issue and stall the project by hook or crook. They are saying that Bhadrachalam was part of Telangana. This is another white lie. Sir, if you look into the history, the entire Bhadrachalam division, part of Andhra state, there are government orders. If any justification is to be done to the AP, the entire Bhadrachalam division, including Rama's temple, should be given to us. They belong to us. We are not making politics, but they are. In fact, they have sanctioned Lord Rama for us, even though Lord Rama is in Telangana. We have no objection. All that we want, nobody should be create hurdles of Polavaram. Polavaram is a multi-purpose project. It provides irrigation facilities about 2.9 hectares, 2.9 lakh hectares, and the drinking water facilities to the people of East and West Godavari district, Krishna and Visakhapatnam districts of AP. It only provides irrigation facilities, but also help in generation nearly 800 megawatts of power. Once the project is completed, it can stop the flow of 3,000 TMC of Godavari water into the sea. At the same time, the project also achieves diversion of surplus of water about 100 TMC Godavari basin to the water deficit Krishna basin. So, in a way, it is also helps in linking two rivers, that is Godavari and Krishna.
Mr. Ramesh, you have taken more time.
No, sir. Section 90 says that the consent of construction of Polavaram project is deemed to have been given by the successor state of Telangana, but conspicuously for the reason best known to them, and if I may say, only to get political advantage and stall the project. TRS and others are stalling this. This should not be allowed to happen. Under Section 90 of AP Reorganization Act, Polavaram has been declared a national project, but for this purpose, there is a need to set up Polavaram Development Authority. But so far, government has not set up the authority. Hence, I request the government that immediately after notification of this amendment, the above authority may be set up and complete the project within the coming 3 years. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.